Acha, now I guess it will be okay. I was having some issue with the stream. Don't know what. Yes, now I'm audible, right? Yes. So again, very good evening to all of you guys, and I welcome all of you guys to oliveboard. I hope I'm audible as well as visible. Just confirm this once, whether I'm audible, visible to everyone. I'm audible as well as visible, everyone. There was some issue I was facing with the streaming. So now hopefully it is audio video clear. Perfect. Thank you, Reena. Thank you so much. Chalo, sir. Let us start with our practice set of the day. That is the practice set 5 for NTPC, right? First question will be this one, sir. First question is this one. Everyone. Very quickly. Let's solve this. Let us solve this. First question. Time is 30 seconds for this. Acha, मैं 40 seconds देता. Quickly solve, sir. Solve this very quickly. Need answers. Chalo, sir. Any answers? Any answers? Now, average of 5 consecutive numbers is 50, sir. Sir, whenever you see their consecutive numbers, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and odd number of numbers are there. I told you average means the middle number. This is 50, sir. What is the difference of the products of the largest and the smallest number to the product of the fourth and the second? So let's figure out all the numbers. So consecutive means 51, 52 here, and this will be, sir, 49, 48 here. Sir, they are asking the difference between the largest and the smallest, these two, and fourth and the second, sir, these two, sir. Sir, 48 into 52 minus 49 into 51. That is what they're asking. Always remember, sir, अच्छा ऐसे. Sir, this is 50 minus 2. Right? And sir, this is 50 plus 2. So meaning a plus b into a minus b. A square minus b square. Minus. Again, sir, this is 50 minus 1, 50 plus 1. A square minus plus b square. B square will be, sir, 1 square. 50 square gone. 1 square is 1 minus 2 square is 4. So answer will be minus 3, sir. So difference they are asking, difference will be, sir, plus 3. So difference will be, sir, plus 3. So answer is, sir, option number 1, 3. Again, do not mark minus 3 because of the word difference. If they were saying, sir, figure out what is the answer, if we subtract this from this, then the answer is minus 3. But here the answer is 3. No, Reena, not minus 3. Please understand, they are asking the word difference is there. Difference between two numbers is always positive. Difference cannot be negative. Difference cannot be negative. Perfect, everyone. Absolutely clear. Absolutely clear, everyone. Very simple question. Very simple question we have started from. All are NTPC PYQs, okay? Next one, sir. Train question. But you know, difference is always, remember, difference का जो definition है ना, sir? Difference is A minus B. And A difference B is written like this. It means bigger one always minus smaller one. If that means if A is greater than B, then we always say A difference B will be A minus B. And if A is less than B, then bigger is B, then A difference B means B minus A. Mathematically, it is always written as modulus of A minus B. Okay. So again, we don't need this much. Just remember, difference means bigger minus smaller. That's all. That's all. Okay, sir. Next one. Next one. Next one, sir. Everybody, please. Please solve. Please solve, sir. Please solve this, sir. A train passes two bridges of this length and this length in 80 seconds and 40 seconds respectively. Sir, whenever you see two information like this is given, always use, I told you multiple times, method of difference. That too in your mind. Do not write everything down. Think, sir. I'm just giving you the concept. Think like this, sir. 600-meter bridge. It means its own length plus 600 meter, because whenever a train crosses a bridge, it is crossing its own length plus the length of the bridge. So that is that much distance it is going in 80 seconds. And whenever it is crossing a 200-meter bridge, it is going its own length plus 200 meters. That much it is crossing in 40 seconds. That much it is crossing in 40 seconds. So if I take the difference, sir, minus, sir, L cancels, 600 minus 200, 400 meters, it goes in 40 seconds. Because 80 minus 40 means 40 seconds. So it is, what is the speed? How much? Whatever distance the train goes in 1 second, that is the speed. Sir, 400 by 40, that is 10 meter per second. That is the speed of the train, sir. That is the speed of the train. Now, what I am saying, do not do this. पता नहीं क्या हो रहा है. Do not do this. Always remember, do this in your mind. 600 and 200, na sir? So this difference of 400 meters, it is like the train is going in 80 and 40. Think, sir, because whenever I'm taking difference, the length, its own length will cancel each other. So meaning, sir, this difference of 400 meter, it goes in 40 seconds. So 1 second mein 10 meter, 10 meter per second. Aim, let's see, brother, I've lensing your name, right? Lensing, if I remember correctly. Now, length of the train, sir. It's very simple. Think like this. You don't need to do anything, sir. That means if it goes at 10 meters, or rather, please understand from this information only. We don't even need this. 40 seconds. In 40 seconds, the train goes 400 meters. That is exactly this distance now. You see, it is 40 seconds. Meaning its own length plus 200 meter, it goes in 40 seconds. And I know total length it can go, total distance it can go in 40 seconds is 400. So what will be the value of this L? L has to be set 200 plus 200 only gives you 400. So its own length has to be 200. Its own length has to be 200 meters, option 4. Option number 4, sir. Yes, Pithampuram, I forgot your name, brother. Pithampuram, please tell me your name, brother. Lensing का name I remember. Lensing का name I remember. Lensing का name I remember. Clear, everyone? Everybody clear? Chalo, sir. Next one. Vinod. Yes, Vinod. I'll remember this. I will try to remember. Again, do not mind. I'm kind of admitting this. I'm very bad with names. I am very bad with names. I had students whom I have taught for more than a year, especially the JE students. Then after also I can't remember them. I see them face to face every week. Then also I cannot remember their name. पता नहीं कैसे. Solve this, sir. Solve this one. चलो मैं थोड़ा टाइम तो हो गया और 30 seconds ले लो. Take 30 more seconds. Good question, this one. 2022 NTPC का क्वेश्चन है. This is a question from NTPC 2022. Good question, sir. Start from any anchor point. Start from any anchor point actually. Arghamita, good evening, Arghamita. Very good evening, Arghamita. Chalo, chalo, chalo. Arghamita, this is the question. This is one question. Chalo, sir. Sir, among four numbers, the second one, अरे यार, रुक जाओ. Among four numbers, the second is thrice of the first. So first one is x, second one is thrice, 3x. The third is 4 times of the second. 4 times of second means 4 into 3 is 12x. And the fourth is 5 times of the third. 5 times of the third means that 5 of this is 60, 60x. So they are saying the average is this. Mean means an average of this is 1900. So sum will be, sir, 1900 into, sir, 4. Done, sir. Figure out x. Figure out the value of x, sir. 1900 into 4 divided by, sir, 60 plus 12, 72, 75, 76. 19 fours are this. 4 is gone, sir. X is 100. X is 100. They're asking smallest number is x only, that is 100. Option number 4, sir. Option number, sir, 4. Option number, sir, 4. Everyone clear, sir? Everybody clear, sir? Everyone clear, sir? Perfect. Perfect, sir. Perfect, sir. Very, very, very simple. Yes, Vinod is correct. Arghamita is correct. Arghamita, Vinod, both of you guys are correct. Lensing need answers. Reena need answers. Jaldi se. Answer. Sir, time and work question. Time and work based on total work को है. And वाला question है, sir. And वाला question. Acha, just a quick little announcement. Let me just make. This week, na, this Saturday, the परसों, I guess. डेट कितना होगा? 24, 25, 26. 26th April. Tentatively, I am planning, not only me, like all of our faculties. So we'll be taking a marathon session. I'll be taking, so I can take you, like tell you about mine. Marathon session I'm planning on a very particular type of questions which SSC and RRB, NTPC, ALP, everyone asks very like often. But again, this is something that I have felt very avoided because that is an overlap between two chapters. So I will be taking that is called a geometry based mensuration questions. It's an overlap between a little bit of geometry, a little bit of mensuration. So I will be taking a marathon session of 2 hours. 2 घंटे का, ठीक है? Continuous from 5 p.m. to 7 p.m. this Saturday. So if possible and if you need this particular part, so please feel free to join. Please feel free to join. Yes, Arghamita, I'll be taking this week only, okay? And I'll be also running, like next week onwards, I have planned to run a very basic geometry sessions. Geometry ka sessions bhi I'm planning. So I'll take 30-40 classes on geometry only. बहुत like बिल्कुल basic से, like everything will do. Complete free on YouTube. ठीक है? But again, this is something, it will be 2 hour. Reena, yes, you can say. And also there will be another gift, don't worry. not this. Like this is one part. There is another gift. So we are making something for you guys only. You see, in yesterday's session, there is a link in the description. In the link in the description, you'll see there is a like a link to a gift. You can download it from there. Okay? So this was something that I just wanted to convey to you guys. So again, if anyone is interested, please feel free to join. Chalo, sir. Everyone, please, this question, sir. This one, sir. This one, sir. Perfect. And don't worry. So exams are near. At least I'll take marathon sessions, many, not one, not two, more than that. Arghamite is saying 33. Let's see. 3 boys and 5 girls. This is the problem. Sir, why sir thoda bada hoga question? No worries. Total works. In these questions, the equation is always based on total work. Total work, sir. 3 boys, efficiency 3 into B. B is the efficiency of 1 boy. Plus 5 girls, 5G, sir. Efficiency of 1 girl, G. Can do a piece of work in 6 days. So this is whatever they are doing in 1 day. Into 6 will be total 6 days. That is the total work, sir. That is your total work. Now, second situation, total work 2 boys, 7 girls. 2B and means plus 7 girls. So this is they are doing in 1 day. How many days are they working? They are working for 8 days. Now, sir, there is a key word here, same work. Meaning, sir, total work is equal to total work. Total work and total work is equal. So you just do what? From here, your job, your job is very simple. Always from this equation, your job is what? Your job is to figure out B divided by G, or the ratio between boys, efficiency of a boy and a girl, or G divided by B, whatever ratio. So let's calculate, sir. 3 3s are 9B plus 15G. It will be, sir. 4 2s are 8B plus 14, like say 28G. Sir, B को एक तरफ लो, sir, 9B minus 8B is 1B, and this will go this side, that will be, sir, 13G. Right? Itna. Sir, B by G is 13 by 1. Meaning, sir, one boy, it means one boy does 13 work every day, 13 units. One girl does 1 unit every day, sir. Now, how many days will 8 girls complete the work? Sir, what is the work? Sir, work, the equation I had made using total work. So this is total work you can take, or this is also total work you can take. Anything that you want. Any one that you want. So which one? Sir, यही वाला लेते हैं, sir, अच्छा है दिखने में. So 3 into B. B is 13, G is 1. Sir, B is 13, 3 13s and 39, and plus 5 into 1 is 5. 39 plus 5 is 44. Into, sir, 6. Do not take 3 by mistake. This is the work done by whom? This is the total work. Now, who will do this total work, sir? So they like 8 girls will do this total work. So divided by every girl does 1 unit. So 8 girl will do 8 units. So they will take these many days. Total work by efficiency. Kaldo calculation, 4 11s are this, 4 2s are this. This is 3. So they will take 33 days. They will take 33 days to complete. Option 1. Arghamita, Reena, Pithampuram, so Vinod. Absolutely correct, you guys are. Absolutely correct, you guys are. So always remember, and wala question aaye, if you get a and related question, your equation will be TW1 is always equal to TW2, meaning total work from situation 1 is equal to total work from situation 2. This is equal to this. From there, your job is to find this ratio. And once you get this ratio, the whole thing becomes very, very, very easy. Clear, sir? Moving on, sir. Next one. Again, a time and work question, but very good time and work question. 40 seconds का टाइम है सर, प्लीज सॉल्व सर, प्लीज सॉल्व दिस सर, quickly I need answers. चलो सर, answers. 15, Argamita is saying 15, Reena is saying 15. Two answers as I got as of now. I got two answers as of now. Anybody else? Vinod, Lensing, anybody else? Answers? Answers, sir. Sir, three information is given, sir. Now, individual efficiencies you figure out. Sir, how to figure that out? Either you can take help of LCM method or you can go by the concept of ratio. So I again a big fan of ratio. Chalo sir. Sir, efficiency ratio of A, B and C will be 1 by time ratio, 1 by 20, 1 by 30, 1 by 60 sir. This is the efficiency ratio sir. Right? Sir, how to multiply? Sir, we will be multiplying this with 60 because 60 is the LCM. So if I do that, it is 3, 2. Now always, now those who know this method, those who have learned from me, they will say, sir, shortcut is यही sir आपका LCM, यही total work होता है. This is your total work only, or you can also say, sir, 3A does 3 units and A is completing the work in 20 days. Total work will be 3 into 20, 120, like 60. Or B does 2 units every day, completes in 30 days. 2 into 30, 60. Or C 1 into 60, 60. Why is our answer? The total work will be 60. But sir, when we are doing this only, so this is total work. This is your total work. Now what is happening? B and C help A every third day. Meaning sir, slots banao sir. Slots kaisa hoga? A is doing this work first day. A is doing the work second day. On third day, A is getting help from B and C together. Again, sir, fourth day A is working, B is working, like A is working fifth day. Sixth day, again, sir, B and C comes. And this is how things are going on. So, sir, packets will be how much? How can I make my packets? Sir, you will say packets needs to be identical. This is your packet. This is how you will make your packets. And one packet is equal to 3 days. You see, 1 day here, 1 day here, 1 day here. And how much work is being done in a packet, sir? Sir, A is doing 3 days work. A does 3 units every day. 3 days, A does 9 units. B is doing 1 day's work, that is 2 units. C is doing 1 day's work, that is 1 unit. So total 12 units of work is being done in every packet. Sir, how many such packet will be needed to complete 60 units? This is the total work. Sir, you will say, sir, acha, that means we need 5 such packets because 5 into 12 gives you 60. Now 5 such packets if you need. 5 packets means how many days? Every packet was equal to 3 days. 5 packets will be how many, sir? Into 3. That is, sir, 15 number of days. That is, sir, 15 number of days. That's my answer. Wahi mera answer है, sir, option number 1. Clear? Everybody clear, sir? Very simple question. Again, the problem will be when this is not, the data is not that good. When there will be something remaining, then you must think a little bit more. But again, this alternate concept, the concept is very innovative, not very common. That is the reason I've taken this question. Sir, now very common question, this one. Very common question. Chalo sir, 40 seconds. Quickly, quickly, need answers. And again, if everybody is liking the session, please do hit the like button. That gives this session a little bit more reach. Thoda like daba do bhai. If you guys are enjoying the session, please do hit the like. चलो सर, जल्दी 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 सर, जल्दी सर. Done, 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 done. Direct formula, direct formula. Arghamita is saying 14.4. Anybody else? Anybody else? Anybody else? Anybody else? Anybody else? Anybody else? Reena is saying 14.4. Very good, chalo. Sir, I have given you a shortcut here and told you that this is not exactly a shortcut. Sometimes you will need this, especially in NTPC. That type has only been asked in NTPC, the difficult type. Sir, I told you the shortcut, the distance, is a formula where you can figure out the distance directly. That is S1 times S2 divided by S1 difference S2 into say delta T. Delta T is time difference. Now please be careful with delta T. यही लोग गलत करते. This is where people make mistake. Sir, chalo S1 S2 two speeds. Sir, first speed 48 36. So one is 48, one is 36. 48 into 36. This is 48 minus 36. Again, difference bigger minus smaller. Delta T will be, please understand delta T. Please understand delta T here. Please understand delta T. If I take delta T, so please understand what I'm saying here. Sir, 1.5 minutes early. So if this is your 0, 1.5 minutes early means minus 1.5 minutes. And if he goes by this speed, it is 4.5 minutes late. So this is plus 4.5 minutes. Sir, what is the difference? Sir, difference will be, sir, 6 minutes. Ka. Time difference, the delta T value is like this. Delta T will be, sir, this. Please understand this. Why? Because one is minus, one is plus. That is why middle I've like written 0 for you guys to understand. One is minus, one is plus. So this is what, sir? 6 minutes ka difference. Now again, everything is in kilometer per hour. I cannot suddenly put this thing in minute. I have to convert in hours. So by 60. This is 1 by 10. And isko bhi side, this is 12. 12 na sir, 3s are this. Done. 48 into 3 sir. 48 into 3 sir, 144 hota hai. 144 by 10 sir, direct I can say 14.4 kilometers. 14.4 kilometers. Option number 4 is your correct answer. Yes, Vinod, again, you are also correct, brother. Absolutely correct you are. Absolutely correct you are. Very, 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 very good. Very, 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 very good. Right? So again, I'm getting answers from only 3-4 people. Need answers? Need more answers, everyone. जल्दी से और भी answers चाहिए. Sir, this is a question called consumption based questions. Very, very, very important type. Again, NTPC. Most probably 2021 question, this one. अरे आ जाना भाई. देखा? Sir, this timer has some issue in it. Whenever I use the timer, all sorts of problem happens. Chalo. Quickly, sir. Quickly solve, sir. Solve this very quickly. 10 seconds. Answers? No answers till now? No answers till now? मैं बताता हूँ. Always remember. Because in my last video, in the one video I had made yesterday, one particular session, generic session, 10 like 15 minutes on how to boost speed, I was talking about an example. So if you see there is a variable into another variable is equal to another variable, anything like this, you can have this approach. One of the best approaches to take. And like if you ask me, this one is the best approach. Why? Because it can be used everywhere. You don't need to understand, remember like other like different approaches for different types. Reena, Arghamita, Vinod, I've got 3 answers. Let's see. ये देखो कैसे. Sir, remember only one thing. Consumption based. Sir, we all know, sir. Whatever is the price into whatever is my consumption, meaning how much of that quantity I use or how much of that commodity I use. Okay, so for example, petrol. What is the price into how much I use? That will be my expenditure on petrol. That will be my expenditure. Sir, can you see the similarity between this? A into B is equal to C, sir. Use this logic, sir. Compound ratio logic. Sir, price, consumption will give me multiplication, will give me expenditure. Right, sir? Sir, initial there is something, final there is something. So ultimately, sir, this is ratio. If I take this ratio into this ratio, meaning, sir, we are talking about compound ratio. We are talking about compound ratio. So let's take compound ratio. Let's see compound ratio, sir. Sir, price increased by 52%. Meaning, sir, if my price was 100 rupees, now it is 152 rupees. Think. How much percent should the consumption be reduced so that the expenditure increases only by 14%? Expenditure increased by 14% means if my expenditure was 100 rupees, now it has become how much? 114 rupees. Sir, please understand. Price into consumption is expenditure. So consumption will be, sir, expenditure divided by price, na, sir. You see the equation? B is C divided by A, na, sir. So meaning, sir, consumption will be what? This thing divided by this thing. Now you will see I have not calculated. Why? You will get to see now. Sir, 100 by 100 is 1 for this specific purpose. I could have done this, na, 50 and this is 76. I'm like again, or I could have done this directly by 4 as well. You see, I have not done that. Why? Because I know this I'll get 1. My ratio calculation will be easier. And here it will be, sir, expenditure 114 by, sir, 152. Now do your calculation. This is my consumption ratio. Let's figure it out, sir. So 152 will go that side, sir. So my ratio becomes 152 times 114. If I do this, this is how much? 57. If I do this, this is, sir, how much? 76. So 19 threes are this, 19 fours are this. Sir, if my 4 rupees was my consumption, 4 liters, now I am using 3 liters. Can you tell me how much is the reduction? Sir, 1 liter reduction. 1 liter reduction out of 4 liters. Percentage is 25%. You don't need anything to do. Sir, 1 liter reduction out of 4 liters. So percentage is into 100. That is 25%. Yes, absolutely, Arghamita. You see how easily we could have done this. So one step, 2 steps. So you see, this I have like written just to make you guys understand. Ultimately, one line, 2 line, 3 line. You can count how many numbers you have written. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 numbers you have written. So it should not take you more than 10 seconds. It should not take you any like even one like second more than 10. 10 seconds is the absolute maximum you can take. Perfect, perfect sir. Chalo. Next one, profit and loss. Please solve. Please solve, sir. 40 seconds. चलो sir. जल्दी से बनाओ. 10 seconder. It is also a 10 seconder. It is also a 10 seconder. You'll see 25, 1 by 5, 33.1 by 3 is the answer. It's a 10 seconder. So you'll say, sir, how did you do it? चलो 1 second में देखते हैं. आ जाओ. Sir, 5 shirts. Profit equal to this. Sir, profit is 5 SP. SP of 5 shirts. Understand this. Sir, that means, sir, CP is what, sir? CP is always. I should not write na. I should not write it like this. तो समझने में दिक्कत हो सकता है. 5 into X. Just for your understanding. 5 into X. X is what? X is SP. Just for your understanding. Actually, you don't need X. Forget it. Nothing is needed. So, sir, please understand. CP is what, sir? SP minus profit. Sir, SP selling 20 like shirts, 20x. Profit is, sir, 5x. CP is, sir, 15x. Sir, 15x CP, 5x profit. Sir, how much is this? 5x profit out of CP of 15x. They are asking profit percentage, sir. 1/3 hota hai, sir. 1 by 3 is 33 whole 1 by 3 percentage. You do not need pen, paper, nothing for this. Always remember, whenever they are giving you profit in terms of SP, use this relation. Use this relation. Use this particular relation, everyone. Use this particular relation. It will be the best. It will be the best way to go. It will always be the best way to go. Clear, everyone? Clear, sir? This is the best approach, best way to think. This is the best way to think on this. Clear, sir? Chalo, badhiya. Again, another one. It's a simpler question. 40 seconds. 40 seconds, sir. जल्दी से. मैं थोड़ा चाय पी लेता हूँ. Arghamita is saying 16. Reena is saying 24. Chalo, let's see. Let's see who is right and who is wrong. Initial profit percentage of the sale of an item. So on होगा ये. It was 74%. ठीक है, sir. Cost price of the item went up by 50%. Selling, अच्छा, what will be the profit? Okay, sir. It's बहुत simple, sir. बहुत ही simple. Sir, 100 rupees is the CP. Okay, sir. So SP will be what, sir? 74% is the profit. So meaning, sir, SP is 174. Correct, sir? No worries. Now, we know this saying 16. Let's see. Achha, everybody has now unanimously saying 16. Reena 24 हो नहीं सकता because CP is now 150. You are getting my point. So actually the answer will be, na, you see the shortest way to think, 24 rupee difference na into, sir, 2 by 3. Why? Because the CP has gone up, like actually gone up by 3 by 2. 50% more means 3 by 2, na. So division 3 by 2 means multiplication 2 by 3. If you want to, like, if like you are thinking the way I'm thinking, you are thinking. If you are thinking like this, then this is the direct way, like one liner. But again, much higher. 50% it has went up. So CP has now become 150. But selling price is same. So profit kitna hai, sir? Profit is 24 rupees. CP is this. So 24 divided by 150 into, sir, 100. Sir, 52s are this, 53s are this. You see the same thing. 3 8s are this. 8 2s are 16%. Perfect. No worries, no worries. No worries. Do a little practice. Do a little practice. No worries. Actually, you see, ये जो time based practice है ना, the time based practice we're doing, I'm giving you some time to solve. That is why it is needed. Because whenever you are into this, whenever you are racing against the clock, na, you see the thing that we know, the things that we are confident about, we also get, like, I always say this, okay? Mathematics is a subject. Mathematics is a subject which betrays the persons more than girlfriends or boyfriends. Okay, why? Why? Because you see, always you'll see this in mathematics. This happens more often than not. Okay? You know this question, you have done that question countless times. Same question in the exam, you are not getting it. Either it is like the concept is not, you are not getting it, or you have done it some mistake, or so the calculation is not like really like the thing that you needed, or the thing you are asking or hoping it for. Something is not right. So these things happen in mathematics. So mathematics is a subject which is kind of a little issue. Sir, compound interest question. I know many people see this question, see this word, and they hit next. So again, that cannot be the case. Please do. Please do, sir. Please do this question, everyone. Please do this one, sir. चलो चलो सर, 10 सेकंड में करेंगे हम लोग. Sir, compounded yearly, but the problem is this 3 by 2 years. ये कौन देता है सर? Right? आशीष, अरे यार देखो, आशीष ने आज नाम बता दिया. यस आशीष, 5324. Hopefully this is correct, brother. Very very good. Sir, 20% per annum, and this is this. This is this. 3 by 2 years. 3 by 2 years means, think like this, sir. Break it down. Break it down. It means 1 year and, sir, half a year. Right, sir? Rather, let's break down this interest. Sir, meaning, अच्छा, compounded half yearly. Sorry, I have not seen it. अच्छा, तब तो इतना नहीं चाहिए सर. तब तो इतना नहीं चाहिए सर. अरे sorry. So half yearly means, that means, sir, half a year plus half a year, number of compoundings we needed, right? So plus half a year. Sir, 20 years for whole 12 months. For half a year, the rate of interest will also be half, sir. So it will become, sir, 20% for whole year. Half year, sir, 10%, 10%, 10%. Three compoundings of 10%. Use AB theorem, and for 10% you should not be using AB theorem. If you're a serious aspirant, you'll say, sir, 33.1% hota hai. 3 years, sir, the answer is 33.1%. So this is the interest. So 4,000 into 33.1 by 100. So let's do one thing. ये भी हटा दो इधर. So this is 4. So 331 into 4. So how? 300 into 4 is 1200. 30 into 4 is 120. 4 into, so this is 124. So 1324. This is interest. Sir, the amount will be, sir, principal plus interest. 5,324 rupees. Not a difficult question. 5324. Option number 3. Compound interest means only difficult. That is not the case. That is not the case. Right, everyone? Clear, everybody? Very simple. Very simple question, sir. Not a difficult question. Just a quick announcement again for those who have just joined. Again, this Saturday on 26th of April, I will be taking a marathon session from 5 to 7 p.m. Okay, 2 घंटे का class होगा, 2-hour session, long, like free, completely free on this channel only. We will be doing something that is not really, the questions are not to be found. There is an overlap that is called geometry based mensuration. Some books they give you the questions in geometry chapter, some books they merge the question in mensuration chapter. So we don't really know how to do it. So we will do those questions. Most mensuration, geometry, the mixture of that. Okay, sir? So 2 घंटे का session होगा on this. So everything from start to bottom, everything will do. Everything will be doing this week. Chalo. So again, if possible, please join if you want to be a part of the session. 2 घंटे का session. Sir, next one. Next one, sir. Next one, sir. 40 seconds time. Please. Quickly. Solve this very, very quickly, sir. Solve this very, very, very quickly, sir. A second screen now, it's giving me so much trouble. $240. Ashish is saying 240. Ashish is saying 240. 240, 240, 240. Okay. How's it? Anyone? How's it? Can I give you the best answer? Can I give you the best answer? So number of students. The number of students. ले ले भाई. And now it has come. So number of students, please understand, sir, one thing. The number of students cannot be fraction. That has to be an integer. Because आधा student तो मिलता नहीं है. Sir, the ratio after the increase is 4:5:7. Total करोगे तो sir 5 4s are 9, 16. So my answer has to be a multiple of 16. Sir, options check karo na sir. Which option is multiple of 16? Yes, yes, yes. Reena, Ashish both have given. Both have actually thought. You see, I'm not concerned with the answer. I don't want your answers. I need the clarity of thought. I'm very happy with Reena and Ashish that you guys are thinking like this. I hope there are others as well. Think like this. Because number of students cannot be negated like the fraction. So only answer I won't be doing the question. Check which option is a multiple of 16. So there is only one option which is a multiple of 16 here, that is your answer. 16 into 15 is 240, sir. 16 into 15 is 240, sir. That's done. Done and dusted. Right? 16 का multiple होगा. Again, you see. What I say? Clarity of thought is important. I do not want answers. Answer एक आधा गलत भी कर दोगे चलेगा. I'm not concerned. I want the clarity of thought here. Everybody clear? So please understand, these are instinctive things. These take time to manage. So jitna practice karoge, the more you practice, these things will automatically get sorted. Next one, sir. Sir, please solve. Acha. Please solve this, sir. Very simple. Very, very, very simple, I'm saying. Very, very, very simple. 10 सेकंड का क्वेश्चन है सर. 21. Arghamita, Ashish, all are saying 21. 21, 21, 21. 21 तो नहीं दिख रहा है भाई. Are you guys sure? Because 111. 111 ना 37 टाइम्स 3 होता है. 21 तो दिख ही नहीं रहा भाई. ऑप्शंस गलत तो नहीं दे दिया ना. नेक्स्ट में भी ऐसा नहीं है. 21, how did you get? Reena, Kajal, everybody is saying 21. Everybody is saying 21, but 21, 111 is not divisible by 21. No. Options में कुछ तो गलत है भाई इधर. 21 is not the answer. अच्छा, identical batches containing the same number of persons from each nationality. अच्छा. Acha, I guess they are thinking the language is not okay. I was thinking in a different direction. Acha, the thing that, like, the only way it makes sense actually, I was thinking like every batch will have either Russians or Chinese or Japanese. No, that means they are saying you need to take few Russians, few Chinese, few Japanese. So you can take this. You can take this. You can actually take this, right? So वैसे, but again that can give you so many ways. Na? Just a second. No, there is something certainly not right in this question. Reena, your logic I understood, but again there is something that is not right in this question. I have not checked the question. Ruko, let me check it. Let me just check it. Something is not right. Something is not making sense here. Is it the same question that I sent? Just a second. कहाँ मैंने भेजा था उसको? Because it is not making sense. It is not really making sense. पता नहीं. Let's do one thing, रुको ना, बट कैसे भी करेंगे? No, sir, there is something wrong in the question. Something that is not right, either in the language or in the values. Something is not right. I don't think this is right. There is something that is not right. Something not right. That does not make any sense. Either the language or the values. Most probably the. Yes, exactly, Argamita. HCF point of view 37. Because you see, I told you guys multiple times 111 is a very special number. 111 is a very special number. 37 times 3. Why? Because this is very much used in the recurring fractions of 999. Right? So that is why this value I told you guys multiple times to remember. But again, there is something that is not right in this question. कुछ तो गलत है sir. ठीक है? So again, let's skip this question. ठीक है? I'll check this question and like kind of see what is not right. Something is not. Yes, Ashish. So 37. Like the first thing is that if I take that, so that is exactly how I thought it would pan out. So in that case, 37 is the answer. अच्छा मैंने options ही तो नहीं देखा रुको एक second में no options are this 21 14 10 18 might be printing mistake something is not right because 37 is a prime number. So, like you see, if it is 21, that is a 7 multiple. 7 से कुछ नहीं जाता. So, this is also not divisible by 7. This is divisible. You are getting my point. Nothing is kind of making any sense. Nothing is actually making any sense. Okay, something is not right in this question. Chalo na, no worries, no worries. Let's not waste time. Let's solve. One simplification question I have taken. Very simple question. Quickly solve this. Let's solve this very, very, very quickly. Sir, without doing anything, sir, this is 3. Start always from this direction. So 3. 16 plus 3. अरे देखो माई टाइपिस्ट ना वो पागल हो गया देखा सर ये वाला 16 ना ओनली दिस इज नॉट देयर this 42 के अंदर 42 like this under 42 root 16 root 9 this is the question 3 plus this is 4 sir this is 4 sir right this is 4 so 4 plus 3 sir 4 plus 3 7 so this is 42 plus 7 49 square root of 49 ये 5 के बाद कोई साइन है क्या रुको वो भी देखना है क्योंकि ये एआई का कमाल है ना अभी 5 के पास कुछ साइन नहीं है so this is very problematic nowadays everybody uses AI and AI chat GPT का ये problem है sir so this is root over of 49 is 7 134 plus 35 134 35 35 160 170 169 sir root over of this 169 is 13 sir so this will be 51 plus 13 64 sir the answer is 8 the answer is option number 3 8 yes Arghamita Vinod Ashish Reena all of you guys are correct so these questions now makes me nervous why because every typist uses AI and these are the places these are the questions why AI gets it wrong they will not they generally don't get it wrong in a arithmetic type question these are the questions इधर ही गलत होता है sir A plus B plus C is 0 how to think about this sir how to think about this I told you sir there are multiple options but again please make sure whichever option you are picking the denominator must not be zeroed I'm just like saying value putting so the easiest option is 1 minus 1 0, right? So if you are using this, is it 0? No, sir. I can use that. Chalo, sir. 1, 1, 0. Square, minus 1 becomes plus. So this is 2 square. Numerator is 4 divided by a square, b square. Sir, everything is square, so everything will be 1, 1 or 0. So 1 into 1, 1. So C, wherever you see C, that is 0. So 0, 0. So your answer is 4. Your answer is, sir, 4. Option number. Done. Done, sir. We know 4, brother, not 2. There is a square, brother. There is a square. Yes, there is a square, brother. Perfect, everyone. Perfect, everyone. Very, very, very simple. So again, these are exact template questions of value putting. Again, you might say, sir, where to use value putting and where not to? If I had another equation, if I had given you another equation of A, B, and C, then most often than not, you cannot do that question using value putting. Why? Because if you satisfy this equation, most often than not, that this equation will not satisfy. It's very difficult to satisfy both equations at the same time. So wherever one equation is given and they are asking you something, go with value putting. But if more than one equation is given and they are asking you something else, most often than not, more often than not, you will see value putting it is not working. You have to go by identities. Okay, everyone? Chal. Last question of the day. यही last question है? हाँ sir. यही last question है. Give me the answer. जल्दी 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 जल्दी. हो गया सर. Yes, Argha Mehta, you are correct. Sir, why, sir? Sir, tan 1 degree is tan 89 degree. Both are because tan 89 is tan 1. Sorry, cot 1. Right, na, sir? Because 89 plus 1 is 90. Complementary angle. Similarly, sir, tan 2 will cancel with tan 88. Tan 88 will be cot 2. Tan 87 will be cot 3. So you see, so one from here, one from here, one from the forward, one from this end will cancel one from this end. So the middle value will remain. Middle value is tan 45. Tan 45, tan 45 cancels, or even if that doesn't cancel. Sir, oh, tan 45 is 1, tan 45 is 1. 1 by 1 का value होता है, sir, 1. Done, sir. Done, sir. NTPC Railways Telugu. Satish did not get you, brother. Did not get you, brother. Did not get you. Acha. Acha, Vinod, like Satish, I guess I don't think that option is available. I do not really think that option is available in our platform. But again, I guess you asked me this a couple of weeks back as well. I forgot to check. You can check if the option is available. Na? It will show you. It will show you in that. But again, if it is not showing, then that means the option is not available. Okay, so that's one problem. You see, actually, what happens? We can't get translators for each and every subject. You see, I can do Bengali. Okay, but honestly speaking, so for getting a different translators, again, very, very difficult, right? So that's the thing. So again, that will then be all for the day. Again, thank you so much, everyone. Now, before I go for one last time, just I'll be taking this session as I just promised you guys on Saturday, 26th of April. So everybody please be present at 5 p.m. So I'll start from 5, we'll go till 7. ठीक है, 2 घंटे का class होगा. So we will cover every type. And also, we have launched the new batches, including the score booster batch, and this is This is the success, this particular slide. So these are our toppers that we, so both Shubham and Manjot, both were from our batches. I guess Manjot was from Manish sir's class. And again, this is also going on every Saturday. We all of our faculties, we take classes on the platform. So Saturday generally I take the class on 10 a.m. at 10 a.m. every day, every Saturday. Now this week I'm not too sure whether the class will go on because of the marathon. So we have to check. But again, every other week I take the class at 10 a.m. So if you want to join, please feel free to join. Okay, sir. So that was it. Thank you so much, everyone. Sir, is SSC score booster batch there? Yes, yes, yes. Score booster batch is there only. This one. This is the score booster batch. Again, we are coming up with the score booster 2.0 as well. 2.0 is about to launch, I guess, in a few days' time. Maybe in the just first week of next month. So you can join this batch, or if you want to start fresh, you can join the 2.0 batch as well. Okay, this is the this is the 1.0 batch. Arghamita, if you want only my batch, na, for that you have a only quant ka batch. Only quant batch is there, that is a foundation level batch. Like not exactly foundation. So there I've started from the basic and I've gone till the tier 2 level. So that option is there. But again, Arghamita, if you ask me now, from the apart from the professional opinion, I'm part of oliveboard and everything. But again, just as a mentor, if you ask me, I'll request you, because the difference is 200 to 300 rupees to go for the elite subscription. Because why I'm saying, if your preparation is also done, like the basic level of preparation, we are coming up with a crash course next month. Also, more so than this, we are coming up with a practice course. Not one, but two practice courses actually. Okay? As and when the notification comes, we will be launching these courses. These are already made. These are in the pipeline. So there now you will get regular practice of all the subjects. So at least if you have the subscription, those batches, you will have access to those batches. Even if you are like kind of a aspirant or student who has the basic preparation done, then also at least practice, the quality practice, mocks, vagera, everything will be the like part of this. And this batch and the elite subscription, the difference is 200 to 300 max, not more than that. Okay? So again, everyone, so now decision is yours. I'm just giving you the highlight, what is there and what is not there. Okay? So again, thank you so much, everyone. And I'll see you guys again like tomorrow. At I guess same time 5 p.m. we'll do the CGL practice set. This week had I've already made the PPT. We have very good quality questions. Arey, no, absolutely no. This is my job only, Arkamita. Absolutely, no worries, no worries. So again, thank you so much, everyone. I will see you guys. And Argamita, the biggest thing is na, if you practice that, like if you buy that subscription, na, old batches are also you'll be accessing. The my batches, the I told you, na, the quant, so everything will have access. So you can also watch the older classes, again, everything. So everything you have the access to the whole platform for 1 year. That's the thing. Take it. So again, thank you so much. I'll again see you guys on like tomorrow at 5 p.m. Till then, please take care and bye-bye. Thank you so much. Thank you so much.